Ever wondered what powers the next generations of supercomputers? What if your computer could think in multiple directions at once? Welcome to the world of quantum chips. Let's break it down. Simply. First, let's start with the basics. A chip, like the CPU in your phone or computer, processes information using tiny electrical switches called bits. These bits can be either a 0 or a 1. Simple, right? Now imagine a quantum chip. Instead of just 0 or 1, it uses qubits, which can be 0, 1, or both at the same time. This is called superposition, and it changes everything. Think of a qubit like a magical globe. While a regular bit is stuck at the North Pole or South Pole, a qubit can be anywhere on the globe. That's the power of superposition. And when qubits interact, something crazy happens. Entanglement. Two qubits become linked so that changing one instantly affects the other, no matter the distance. Quantum chips are not built like regular chips. They're made using special materials like superconductors or lasers to trap atoms or ions. And to even function, they need to be kept at temperatures close to absolute zero, colder than outer space. Big tech companies are racing to build the best quantum chip. Google, IBM, Intel, and startups like IonQ, Rigetti, and Xanadu. Each uses a different method, from superconductors to trapped ions to photons. Quantum chips won't replace your laptop, but they'll solve problems today's computers can't even touch, like simulating molecules, breaking encryption, finding optimal routes, or training better AI models. In 2019, Google's chip Sycamore performed a task in 200 seconds that would take a supercomputer 10,000 years. That's called quantum supremacy. But quantum chips aren't perfect. They're still unstable, noisy, and error-prone, and they need extreme conditions to work. We're still in the early days, but progress is accelerating fast. Quantum chips could revolutionize industries, from healthcare to cybersecurity to space tech. Learning about them today prepares you for the tech of tomorrow.